You've heard of intrusive ads on your Xiaomi phone. Sometimes you are just scrolling some applications, you see some advertisement being popped up, or you see what they call recommendation, which is adverts by Xiaomi, Poco, Redmi, HyperOS, MIUI. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop every recommendation or recommended ads settings in your phone. Mainly you've gotten your new Xiaomi phone or any other phone, head over to the following applications to turn off every ads recommendation from your phone. How can you achieve that? Number one, you tap on security, your security application, then head over to manage apps, then tap on these three lines, vertical lines, dotted vertical lines. Then you see other settings, tap on it. Then you see recommendations. You see this is advertisement, so you turn it off. If you turn it on, it means that ads can be shown in your phone. Is that clear? So turn this off. Then still on security apps, you head back to this icon here at the top, gear icon settings. Tap on it, then scroll down again. You see another recommendation here. Make sure it is turned off. Is that clear? Then once you are done with this, you head over to your settings. Okay, then you locate your theme app from here if you wish. But if you don't want to do this, then you come to your themes. This is my theme app. Okay, then you tap on your profile. Make sure your profile is shown like this. Then this setting icon, tap on it. You will see personalized recommendations. Can you see it? Make sure it is turned off. Then you see show ads. Make sure they are turned off. Okay, if you are ready, let's continue. Then the third one is your file manager. This file manager, this three dotted line. Okay, then tap on settings. Some of you are going to see recommendation here. Make sure you turn it off. Mine is not showing. Make sure you turn it off. You see it here, you turn it off. Do the same thing for your gallery app. Tap on this three dotted line, settings, look for recommendation also, and turn it off. Very important. These are some of the ads recommendation you need to turn off in order to stop ads from your phone. I have other procedures which I have dropped in this channel. Please check the channel for more tutorials on these.